Hello, and welcome back to Seven Figure Rebel, where we are blazing a trail to financial freedom. I'm Cindy, and every week I'm sharing ways to make money online. Today, I'm super excited to share this one because it truly blew my mind when I researched how much money people are making with it every month. I'm using a service called Everbee to see these stats that I'm about to show you. There's a link to Everbee in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. Okay, let's head over to Etsy and do some research on digital stickers for GoodNotes. These are little digital stickers to use in digital planners, and they are hugely popular. Let's take a look at this one in particular. It is a listing for 400 everyday life digital stickers, and it is making over $6,000 per month in revenue. After listing fees, the profit will be slightly smaller, but wow, that is life-changing. Quit your job money. And that is just for one digital product. Imagine what that kind of money could do for you, and all you had to do was create it once, then sell it over and over again. Here I am in my Mid-Journey account using prompts such as an isolated doodle-style drawing of a woman's sports shoe and an isolated doodle-style drawing of a bag of groceries, or an isolated doodle-style drawing of a spray bottle. These could easily be used as digital stickers. Let's look at another listing. This one is making over $13,000 per month in revenue. Remember, profit will be slightly less. More life-changing money. Now, this is definitely a large bundle of 11,000 digital stickers, but once you learn how to do this, you could definitely start putting together a large bundle. That monthly revenue figure is very motivating. As you can see, making digital stickers like these is easy to do with Canva. Let's look at one more. Here's one that is making over $2,700 per month in revenue. I see some yoga pose stickers. Let's see if we could make something similar in Mid-Journey. I'll just put in the prompt and wait a minute or so. And yes, I could definitely use something like this to make digital stickers. I don't know about you, but I'm convinced, and this will most definitely be the next digital product that I add to my Etsy store. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a full tutorial on how to make these digital planner stickers. In the meantime, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any more money-making content. See you in the next video!